Hello everyone, welcome back to City.
Today, we're taking you to one of the greenest buildings in Taipei, the Beitou branch of Taipei Public Library.
Everyone knows that Beitou Library is a green building, but did you know it was a CSAM building back in the ROC years 90 to 99? So what is a CSAM building?
CSAM buildings are structures made with concrete that's mixed with ocean sand instead of river sand. Because ocean sand contains high levels of chloride ions, the steel inside the concrete corrodes over time. That's why CSAM buildings are unstable and often end up crumbling.
Beitou Library was one of those buildings. In 2002, Beitou Library was discovered that CSAM had been used as materials, so the library was closed down and demolished on July 14 of that year. Rather than abandoning the site, Taipei chose to transfer it into a green building, the one you see today.
In Taiwan, there is a similar version of LEED called EEWH, which stands for Ecology, Energy Saving, Waste Reduction, and Health. Under this rating system, Beitou Library was the first building to earn Diamond certification, which is the highest level. It has 9 evaluation indicators: greenery, water infiltration and retention, daily energy conservation, water conservation, CO2 emission reduction, construction waste reduction, sewage and waste disposal facility improvement, biodiversity, and indoor environmental quality.
What makes Beitou Library a sustainable building? Starting with the outer design, Beitou Library itself is a timber structure, which helps lower its carbon footprint and makes the building more eco-friendly overall. Beitou Library utilized recyclable materials such as wood and steel, significantly reducing waste during construction and minimizing the building's ecological footprint. The wood used in the building comes from managed forest rather than primary rainforest, helping to reduce carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere.
On the rooftop, Beitou Library integrated 16 kilowatts of solar panels, which is a powerful renewable system that helps the building run on clean energy. To boost efficiency even more, part of the roof is covered with soil. This layer works as natural insulation and helps regulate indoor temperatures.
But the roof does more than just that. Just like Taipei 101, Beitou Library also has a rainwater harvesting system. Since the roof is a sloped glass landscape, it helps to collect rainwater. The water is first collected in the filter tank and then stored in a small reservoir beneath the building. This recycled water can be used for things like irrigation for surrounding plants and toilet flushing, which cuts down the water waste and helps channel water into the storage tanks for reuse.
To keep the building cool, Beitou Library uses vertical wooden grills and extended balconies. These act like natural sunshades, blocking out harsh sunlight while still letting air flow through.
Moving inside, Beitou Library is designed to make the most of the natural lighting. There is a central atrium that brings in daylight from the top, and large floor-to-ceiling French windows that let sunlight in. In some areas, these windows extend almost from the basement all the way to the ceiling of the second floor. This not only helps to reduce energy consumption by allowing for light infiltration, but it also reflects the surrounding landscape, just like the solar panels and green roof. And those windows aren't just for light, they are often kept open, helping reduce the need for fans or air conditioning by allowing natural airflow. To make that ventilation even more effective, the library also uses deep balconies and angled wooden window panels. These block harsh sunlight and reduce heat, keeping the space cool without relying on electricity.
Previously, we mentioned that the building used recycled woods for construction, same as the wood used in the interior. It has specially treated to be both termite resistant and waterproof. In addition to this, the library uses ecologically friendly paint, ensuring every detail supports sustainability. While the interior might seem somewhat unadorned, the minimal furnishings are part of the design choice to reduce their environmental impact. The wood used for furnishings complements the wooden latticing design along the sides of the building, which helps to reduce interior heating and energy use for air conditioning. Since its transformation to a sustainable building, the library has received numerous awards for its innovation, sustainability, and design.
Let's take a look at some of its major recognitions. When we look at Beitou Library, we're really seeing more than just a place for books. It's a place that brings sustainable design, environmental responsibility, and community connection, all together in one building.
From the recycled materials and energy-saving features to the way it blends into the natural park around it, it shows how sustainable Beitou Library is. And maybe the biggest takeaway? You can start sustainable action at home. Try planting indoor greenery like ficus or aloe vera to improve air quality and cool your space. If you are re-renovating, think about stack ventilation to cut down on AC use. And even something simple like thermal insulation paint on your walls can make a big difference. Inspired by Beitou Library, small steps can lead to a more sustainable lifestyle.